sunset to dusk. I love this place with a passion. This is Arne RSPB Nature Reserve. And this is what I love painting. It's got everything I need. The heather. Look at that heather. The earthy colours where it's going over from purple to this earthy brown. And the clouds match the colours, don't they, of the landscape. The silhouette, the pine trees, the silver birch and the gorse bushes. Look at that. That is the composition. It's a beautiful, beautiful composition. Let's go a bit closer in. That's it. That's the sky I will paint. This is the first time in quite a while I've stayed down here this late, this time of year. But in the winter months, this is all covered in yellow gorse. So you have the yellows and the blues and the greens. Beautiful. And then across here is the islands. There's Long Island and Round Island. I think that's Round Island. And then Long Island somewhere over here. Look at that. And you can hear the hustle and bustle of Poole and Hamworthy just over the water.